Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by closing Roblox and removing lingering processes in Task Manager. This frees locked files. Next, make sure your system updates are applied and you've rebooted, because pending updates often block launches. Once done, verify network connectivity and DNS settings are automatic so the client can reach Roblox servers. If you're on a home router, toggle Wi-Fi or try tethering briefly. Connection quirks commonly prevent the app from initializing properly. Now you repair or reinstall the client to fix corrupted files. First, use the built-in repair from app settings if offered. That preserves your settings while replacing broken components. If not, completely remove the Roblox folder in %local app data %, and then download and run the latest installer. Make sure you run the installer as administrator so files and registry entries update correctly. And when prompts appear, allow firewall or antivirus exceptions. Otherwise, the app can't create required network sockets. Finally, verify launch paths and test both browser join and direct app start. Clearing cookies helps the web handoff. If you hit network or socket errors, reset WinSock using netch WinSock reset and reboot so Windows rebuilds network components. Make sure your account can sign in, sign out, and back in if needed. If problems persist, don't guess, capture the exact error message, and send the Roblox logs to support so they can identify blocked services or permission failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.